So guys, magpapating na tayo guys. So ayan guys, medyo malayo din guys. Hopefully maset natin to guys. Pero kung makadalawang pating dito guys ay not too bad na guys. So magpapating tayo. Guys, not too bad guys, dalawang pot guys. So not too bad na yun guys, dalawang pating doon, medyo malayo tapos gilid pa. So okay na yun guys.